Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. Now you can use almost all useful hacking tools, scripts on your Android mobile. There are several apps and hacking tools are available for Android mobile, and therefore we can install Linux on our Android mobile. But it requires some time and patience. If you are about to use only the tools you needed, then watch this section completely to learn how to use Termux app and how to install hacking tools on your Android mobile. Termux is a powerful app which can be used to install useful packages, hacking tools on your Android. In this section, I will describe about Termux Android app and how to install useful packages, hacking tools on your Android mobile. So Termux is a powerful Android app which is designed to install Linux packages on your Android mobile. With the Termux app, you can install Shell, Python, C++, Ruby, Java, and many more useful packages. And with the help of Termux, you can use several hacking tools script in our mobile, including Nmap, Hydra, SQL Map, etc. Now let's move on installing part of Termux application. Open your Play Store, search Termux and click install. Then click on open. It take little bit time, so don't worry. So we have successfully installed our Termux application. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any problem, then please comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.